You are welcome to today's math class. So now, from this question, we are asked to look for the area of the circle. But to do that, you know that we need to find our radius since the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, right? So how do we do that? Now, let me to reconstruct this here for better explanation. Here we have 4, here we have 6, here we have 2. So now we can just complete this rectangle. Therefore, don't forget opposite side of the rectangle are equal. Here will be 6 also, while here will be 4, and this line here will be 2. So we will need to look for this place here. So I don't know the size of this, so let me label this as K. Why am I looking for this side? I want us to recall these properties, but firstly let me to draw the circle. Now, looking at these lines here, this theorem states that when two lengths of a chord intersect, the multiplication of the two opposite sides of the chord is equals to each other. For instance, if this is U, this is V, this K, this N, this implies that U multiplied by V is equals to K multiplied by M. So now, knowing this, let's first look for the value of K. We are going to be using this to look for the value of K. Don't forget the addition of this length here is 4 plus 2, which is 6, right? So we have 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to K multiplied by 6 also. Dividing both sides by 6, we have the value of K to be equal to 2, which means that here the value of this is 2. Now, we can look for the radius in two ways. The first way is that since we have gotten this place as 2, don't forget this is the center of the circle, and we can just draw a straight line which passes through the center of the circle until it touches this point. The reason why this line is passing through the center of the circle, don't forget when a line passes through the center of the circle which forms the diameter, right? This forms an angle 90 degree at the circumference. Since this has already formed angle 90 degree at the circumference, therefore it means the line passes through the center of the circle. Now, from this we can look for the radius. Don't forget this is a radius, this is a radius, so we have 2r. How do we look for this? Using the Pythagoras rule, right? Pythagoras rule. We know that 2r squared is equals to, here we have 4 squared, which is the opposite, and the adjacent, which is going to be the sum of 6 and 2, right, which is 8 plus 8 squared. So we have this to be 16, this to be 64, and here we have 4, we have r squared. Now adding this together, we have 80 divided by 4 r squared, right? Now we have 20. So we have our radius to be equals to the root of 20, which is same as 2 root 5. The second method for finding the radius would be, is also a theorem. The theorem states that, or is a formula rather. From this now, the formula says that r squared is equals to u squared plus v squared plus m squared plus k squared, all divided by 4. So now if you use this formula, you can just say that r squared is equal to u squared, which is 6, that's 6 squared, which is 36, right? V squared is the same thing as saying 2. No, don't forget, get the value of k as 2, so 2 squared, which is 4, and m squared, which is 4 plus 2, which is 6, right? 6 squared is going to give us 36 also, and here we have our v squared, v squared, right? Yes, which is 4 also, all divided by 4. So we got this as 20. 80 divided by 4 is 20. So you can see you can just use two methods, either you use this approach or this formula, so we'll get the same thing. Now going back to the question, the area of the circle therefore will be equals to, don't forget, pi r squared. We have r squared to be equals to 20, right? So we just say that 20 pi is our final answer. Add u squared, Don't forget it is an area. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.